It's definitely a buy. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Traylene Danita here. If you are in love with natural hair, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then this is the place. What are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down there, and be sure to hit that notifications button so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. And be sure to follow me on all of my socials at Traylene Danita. Alright guys, I am back with another video, and in this video we're doing a little sit down, we're doing a little chit chat, and I'm coming to you with another buy or buy. You guys seem to like my last video and how I talked about which product you should buy or say buy to. So in this video I'm going to be talking about hair tools specifically that could be used to manage your natural hair, whether it's a buy or a buy. So let's get into it. So the first hair tool I would like to mention, round of applause, it is the pattern steamer. The pattern steamer. Baby, I use this every wash day. I love using this tool because it's multitask. So let me show you what it looks like. If you don't know what it looks like, I'll pull it out the box. A steamer. The steamer has the prongs in it, and the steam comes out of this contraption here, and it makes it so easy for detangling the hair, for conditioning the hair. Now if you have low porosity hair, steam is your friend. I am a low porosity hair girl. I steam all the time, specifically when I need to detangle. Steaming my hair has made my detangling process so much better, and it has prevented my hair from breaking as often. So I love the steamer because not only does it have the prong already on it, so this has the extra prong, which I love. Now depending on your preference and how you want to use the steamer, you can add it or not, and you just take it and it snaps in place, and you have the extra prong there, and you just simply remove the prong. If you don't need it anymore, it comes off like that. And it also has, I call it this is the hooded steamer. You attach it in the same manner and it snaps on, and you just steam the hair like so. Chef's kiss. Okay, you got to get this steamer. When the steamer was first released, I think it was of course released on the Pattern Beauty website and in Ulta, and I snagged it right away. At the time I had some extra Ulta points, so I used it toward the purchase. But this particular steamer, I think it runs about $169. Is it worth it? Absolutely yes. It is worth every penny. Trust me, I have used that $169, that $170 up in the amount of times that I've already used the hair steamer. Like I said, I use the hair steamer majorly every wash day to detangle my hair before shampooing, and I also use the steamer when I need that extra conditioning with a little steam. So for the pattern steamer, is it a buy or a buy? It's definitely a buy. The next tool I want to mention, it is the Revlon Blow Dry Brush. Now, this baby has been with me for years. I love using this brush when I need to straighten my hair, when I need to trim my ends, and it always does me real good and real well. Cool, low, and high setting, and I use it accordingly to what I need it for. Like I said, I don't use this often. I normally use it when I need to trim my ends, or if I need to do like a silk press or something and I need to get in there and straighten my hair with the blow dryer and brush at the same time. So with this tool, is it a buy for me? Listen, with this tool, I just say proceed with caution. It has gotten mixed reviews, but as far as I'm concerned, it's definitely a buy. Next up, I want to show these. I don't know if they would consider a tool or accessory. I don't know, you pick, but they kind of fall in this category. And they are the TPH Hair Weight. That is the Taraji P. Henson Hairline Hair Weights. So basically, you would add these hair weights to your hair while the hair is wet to kind of elongate your curls while it dries to prevent some of the shrinkage. Now, I have been using these every time I wear a wash and go. And if you've been following me for a while and you've been watching my wash and go styling videos, you know every time I'm going to put the hair weights in my hair. Okay, they work. It does what it says it's supposed to do. So the hair weights, it's a win-win. The only thing about these hair weights, they come in a pack, I think, of 10. And depending on how you would like to use the hair weights, you will probably need more. And then on the flip side, they are very scarce, right? These hair weights will come in stock and they sell out so fast. So fast. So every time I mention these hair weights, you guys, you sell them out because they work. They work. So the TPH Hair Weights, is it a buy or a buy? It's definitely a buy. Stuff in my natural hair tool, hair accessories that I use to maintain and care for my natural hair. This is the hooded conditioning cap with the temperature gauge and timer on it. Now, I love this thing because I'm deep conditioning my hair every time. Like every wash day, we're doing a mask, we're doing a protein, we're doing all of the things because we want our hair to flourish. And to help keep my hair flourishing with my conditioner, I love this heated cap. Like, it's so easy to use. You even have like a zip off feature if you need to wipe it out. Love that it has a timer on here so it never overheats and you always know how much time you need to use for conditioning your hair. So basically I'm using this all the time, especially when I have to do like a deep conditioner or a mask like I had mentioned before. The only drawback, it's corded. You can't really move around with it. That's just something small for something so big because you're conditioning your hair. So that's just a small thing. But would I consider this a buy or a buy? It's definitely a buy. Speaking of conditioning caps, I want to mention one that was kind of tried and true for me for a minute. This is a conditioning cap. What you do is that you put it in the microwave for about 60 seconds. It heats up. It has like a gel substance in the cap. It gets really warm and then you put it on your head to condition your hair, like deep conditioning mask, all of the things. I love this because it is portable and you can move around in it. This was my jam because I could do chores around the house while my hair was conditioning, all the things. So I love that it's portable and that you can move around. The only drawback is that the gel substance in this cap started to ooze out a bit. And sometimes it would have hot spots in the cap. Like if I put it on in a certain way, I always had to like flip it inside out to make sure that I wouldn't burn my scalp. So yeah, proceed with caution with this one. It's good temporarily, but for long term, I wouldn't recommend it. I would go with the other one that's corded. So for this particular cap, for this particular cap, considering I have the other one, it's definitely a buy for me. Next up, for hair tools that you must have, I mean, I have to mention the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit now. Okay, I'm biased, okay? I'm biased, okay, because it is the curl kit, but nonetheless, this curl kit has everything you need in here to take care of your hair in terms of hair tools. So let me show you. So it has the detangling brush, it has the continuous spray bottle, of course a bonnet for when you are sleeping or whenever you want to wear a bonnet to protect your curls, shampoo brush. I live by this shampoo brush because I use it during, of course, the shampoo process to stimulate the scalp to help with hair growth. Of course, we gotta have a little edge, little situation, because we gotta have our edges slayed, okay, at all times. And the shower comb. This shower comb with the wide teeth is great for detangling the hair without snagging and pulling the hair. So those are all the tools and accessories that come into this kit, along with this carrying bag. Like, this bag is even perfect for traveling. Of course, there's more than enough room to add additional things in here, but yeah, I use this kit and these tools practically every wash day. It's really pretty much all I need to style and maintain my hair. So for the TD Curl Cousin Curl Kit, is it a buy or a buy? Of course you know it's a buy. Next up, this one is probably on the fence for a lot of people because of the price point. It is the RevAir Hair Reverse Dryer. Now, the RevAir Reverse Hair Dryer, baby, I know she's expensive. I know, and I feel like a lot of people won't go there because of the price point, but let me tell you, she is worth it. If you are a person that likes to stretch your natural hair without the damage, without the heat, this reverse hair dryer, you gotta have it. With the RevAir hair dryer, they have the reverse technology, which suctions the hair and straightens the hair without damage. So you definitely get the straight results in no time. Like, to use this hair dryer, it's so easy. I have videos on my channel where I talk about the RevAir hair dryer, how to use it, and all of the things. I'll be sure to leave the video down in the description below so you can check that out. But as far as the RevAir, I know the price point is out there, but let me tell you, it's worth it. Okay, they have payment plans. If you don't have that money right away, like today, they have payment plans. Okay, so it's available for you. And I might have something special for you too. I'm gonna give you a coupon code so we can make this all a little bit more painless. I'm gonna give you a coupon code. We're gonna have a coupon code. I'm gonna put it down there in the description box, and I'm gonna put it here. So if you're considering the RevAir hair dryer, I say get it. This is definitely a buy. Alright guys, so those are the hair tools that I would recommend you buy or buy. Comment down below and let me know, have you tried these hair tools? Do you have these hair tools in your arsenal? Let me know which ones are your favorite. And recommend some hair tools down in the description so I can try them out for myself. Alright guys, that is it for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, ciao.